Hey, hey, hey! Hi, guys. It's time to wake up and make up with Jennifer Woolsey. I hope you're having a great day. Welcome to Get Ready with Me. We are going to do a very quick mom makeup tutorial this morning because I'm running late. Story of my life. So I've already done my skincare regimen and I've primed my face with ink lasting primer. I'm getting low on that bottle. I'm going to have to get that refilled. I'm going to hop right in with my Magix wand, Marshmallow, to cover or to conceal these eyes. Good morning. Say hello whenever you guys hop on. Let me know that you're here. I'm doing a downward triangle with that concealer and covering some of this redness on my chin because, well, that's what we do. My kids were wiped out from that first day of school. How about your guys? Came in and was exhausted and then so tired that they couldn't sleep. So I got to hang out with my oldest until about 1 o'clock this morning. Joy. It was fun. You know, these are the days. Okay, I'm going to brush these brows down because they are wild this morning. I'm using my ink lasting cushion foundation. Guys, if you haven't tried this yet, why not? It's in the shade Porcelain. You get a little ruby cell puff, boop, pop it in, get a little makeup on your sponge, and you pat it right in. It's plenty of makeup usually with one push. And it's hump day. So what do you have on your agenda today? So here's what I'm thinking. We're in our first week of the new year. So are you still doing your goals that you've set for yourself? Are you eating right? Are you getting up, getting dressed, making things happen? Or have we slipped back into our routines from 2019? You know, those bad routines of not watching what we're eating. And good morning, Connie. How are you, sweet friend? Thank you for watching. Okay. So have we slipped back into our bad routines, or are we now doing the things that we know we need to do? One of my biggest goals for this year has been to drink more water. I think that a lot of times when our skin needs more moisture, it's really dry, or if it's really oily even, it's our body telling us that we need to put more moisture in it. And that is drinking more water. And I do not like the taste of just plain water. I like to add, you know, like the flavorings and all that stuff. And the truth is, all of those flavorings have some kind of sweetener or artificial sweetener in them, and they're not good for us. So I'm really trying to make a conscious effort to fill up my water bottle, to drink more water. And my skin is loving it. Okay, we're just going in now and shading in these brows. Nothing extra, just drawing it in. So what are some of the things that you guys have decided that you needed to do to be healthier and take better care of yourself in 2020? I mean, it's the roaring 20s. We need to be roaring with our strength, right? Of all the things that we can do to live healthier, live better. Okay, I'm going to go in now with some translucent loose powder. And I'm blending those areas. Woo! And going to blend that under eye area. Some things about translucent loose powder is it also gives you a mattified finish. To me, it also helps my makeup last longer, which I'm all about. Anything that keeps me from having to reapply makeup. We're going to use the Mono Pop eyeshadow palette this morning. So I'm going to start with this lightest color up here with just a regular eyeshadow brush. And we're going to go right under the arch of my eyeshadow, or my, what's this thing called? Eyebrow. Yeah, that thing. I picked up a little bit of sparkle on the other side, so I better add a little here. My lighting is not excellent this morning. Can you guys see okay still? Okay, Now with my crease brush, I'm going to pick up this darker color. We're going to do just a dab here in the corner. Oh, my child is not wanting to participate this morning. How many of you have had those days when your kids just don't want to participate? Okay, so I'm just doing the corner crease to give myself a little bit of a wing there. And I'm going to go in with this shade, this palette, you guys. It is to die for. I mean, it truly has every color. And I'm just going to do the bottom of my lid over to that crease. And blending into that darker shade. We're going to go for a little bit of a faded in look this morning. But this palette has every color that most women need. A nude can go so far in your makeup selection. You can wear it with so many things. Or browns. Especially because I have brown eyes. If you tend to have green eyes or brown eyes, nudes are your palette. I'm just kind of blending now. Okay. I'm going to pick up just a little bit of this, it's kind of a goldish color. And then I'm going to go right up on my crease with that. We're just going to do a different look this morning. I love that. It gives your eyes more depth. The cool thing about eyeshadow, guys, is it's kind of like painting. You're just kind of blending colors to get the look that you want. Okay, let me close and let you look. Thoughts? Do you like it? It's, you know, it's kind of like painting. You're just mixing a little here and mixing a little there to get the color that you want. And like I said, I wear glasses, so I always go a little bit darker. But even if you don't, I mean, just live out loud. Who cares? If somebody judges your makeup, then they need something else to do, right? Okay, using my liquid SuperExtend eyeliner. What is that old saying? If somebody's talking about you, then they're giving someone else a break. So talk, baby, talk. I don't care. Okay, there we go. We are lined out. Then we're going to do a quick mascara with, I'm going to do a little curl. Another thing I've noticed, I think I said in yesterday's video, if you missed it, I've been using our Ultimate Lash Serum to help grow my lashes and my eyebrows. And I've noticed that when I curl them, I feel like I need to sneeze. I've noticed that when I curl them, there's more length and it's not taking quite, excuse me, it's not taking quite as much, which is awesome. So I'm just going to go in here now. And it's just amazing the difference in fullness that you have with just a little bit. Good morning, Sandra. Welcome in. We used the new, my allergies this morning are like, okay. The cedar is alive and well in Texas today. And it just took that mascara to a whole nother place. So I'm going to show you a little trick. You get mascara under the eyes, just take a Q-tip and just kind of run it underneath. And it normally will help pick right up. Okay. Picks it right up and you can blend it right in with your pad. Yay! Oh, how many of you sneeze while you're putting your mascara on and bam, you have it all over your face? I know I'm not alone. And then your eyes water and all that fun stuff. Okay, love mascara added with my Unlimited Lash Serum. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys that Unlimited Lash Serum is on sale for $7.99. So that is $7.99, $24.99. That is a bargain that you do not want to miss. I'm going to use my cushion mascara blush. Cushion blush. See? Whoop. Pick it up. How do you like those sound effects? Woo. Giving myself just a little bit of color on those cheeks. I don't want to be looking like I need to be called next to the stage. Not my job. Just the mom. Not going to be dancing tonight. Okay. Highlighter cushion. On the tops of your cheeks. A little bit on your nose. And a little bit on your Cupid's bow. That Monopop eye palette. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm closing my eyes. I am in love. You guys, you need to pick up this Monopop palette. Look at all these colors. It's got a little bit of sparkle if you want a little bit of sparkle, but it's got some mattes if you want more mattes. Every woman needs this palette. Okay, so lipstick. We are going to do, I think I'm going to mix two colors today. It's a school night. Yes, Sandra, it's a school night. We don't need to be going and dancing anywhere. Okay, I'm going to use Ambitious in the lip Mattitude. You guys, I'm just crazy about these things. But watch, I'm going to give it just a pop of color with my Tenacious. Watch this. I mean, if you want to go dance, I mean, I'm not judging. That's your business, but and I'll get a perfect nude. I mix those two colors together. Bam, bam. And you get a nude. Yay! Okay, guys, I am ready for the day. I hope that you enjoyed these makeup tips. If they were helpful to you, then please share this video. If you're watching us on YouTube, be sure and like this YouTube channel and subscribe by clicking on the bell. If you're on Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz Facebook page, like and follow our page. You guys are a blessing, and I'm so thankful for you. Also, if you want to shop for these awesome products, do that at youravon.com/jwoolsey. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate and love you all. Have a great day. Bye, guys.